Really?
Good. Maybe. How do you know it's good? You can't see the bottom. Your tires up? We're off the fucking yeah. Art! What's with this small tire nonsense? I think you have front and rear lockers in that thing. Oh yeah, plus locker equals parking. Really, he got his dip wet on that. Yeah.
Wow, grippy shoes.
Yeah. Like a parking lot.
Wow, look at those tires fold.
Jay's got those broken in nice, man. They fold over real sweet.
They're working out really, really well on that.
Ting.
Wow, this thing's really dug out. I'm gonna plow a ton if I get in there.
You're gonna break an axle if you get in there. No,
Yeah.
I don't know. You might not, but it's certainly one of those scenarios where you could easily do it. Ooh, wow, it hops. Oh man, nice start with the 5 speed.
There's no starting and stopping in the middle.
Uh-oh, now he's screaming.
Now, let's take a minute and see here. Good welds, bad welds. That bumper would have broke if you'd welded it up, big guy.
That's cool edge for sure.
Yeah, that's fun. I didn't like hopping that much on it, but...
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't believe it.
That was a CV waiting to happen.
That's how it's done. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Well, you have one more axle, I have one more. Doug's got a couple. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm a little worried. I might
Take a look.
I think I might have cracked it. I might have cracked it, which means I'll probably hit something really nice and easy on the top. That's how a
Well,
couple of them have gone so far.
I've been so worried about my footing because I've been hearing
Whoa.
clicking non-stop. Most of it's the lock right up front that I'm just not used to.
Yeah.
That's most of it. Some of it I know is the steering because I've heard that clicking before, and it gets that way when I get really hard into the steering on certain shit. But then there are some that are just, what the fuck was that? And I crawl underneath and everything's fine, and it's like, all right, when's it gonna break?
Tough to turn with them locked there.
Yeah, I'm about to dead on this head load.
Oh, waiting for the
There we go. Just muscle through it. that
Okay, you were right, Jay.
That heavy
No
double
hopping.
cab kept me-
If it starts to get too fast, I'm okay right now.